metal jams, the door jams. These are called knockdown jams. They come in 3 separate pieces. Okay, they're each marked. Whether they're a right-hand swing is what the RH means, and if it's a left-hand swing, then it's marked LH. So the first thing we need to do is go over to the plans and identify where the right-hand swings go and the left-hand swings. Door number 12 is a left-hand swing. You put your butt up against the hinge side and your arm would go to the left, and that would make it a left-hand swing. And R11 is a right-hand swing. Again, your butt up to the hinge side of the jam. Your right arm would go out for this door, and it would be a right-hand swing. So you see them both side by side, the right hand and left hand. So what we'll do is we will go through the space and mark them on the floor. Here are the tools you're going to need. A 4-foot magnetic level. Okay. Your drill or impact driver. Flathead screwdriver. I bring a Sawzall in case the drywall is too far over the edge so I can cut it off quickly. Flat bar and a tape measure. And don't forget your pencil. You need a pencil. Okay. Oh, there it is. Don't forget your pencil. All right, let's go ahead and bring this inside and get ready to start putting up these knockdown metal jams. Okay. See, this is a right-hand swing door. Now, I wrote down the RH for right hand, but then I also put that little tail on there showing me that's where the hinge goes, that's the way the door swings. Okay? Being I'm laying it out and I'm installing it, I wouldn't have to do that because I'm carrying a small plan with me as I install them, which gives me all the swings. Okay? But let's say I'm laying it out and my door guy's coming in, and so he can move quickly. I would lay it out like this. RH for right hand and the tail on the right side showing that's where the hinge is at and that's where it's going to swing. Okay, then you bring all your jams to the appropriate door opening, the number matching your opening according to the plan. All right, go ahead and break it loose. Okay, you could then see that you have your header, your hinge side, and your strike side. Okay, first thing you'll notice is you have these tabs. Bend them out in the middle and at the bottom. Now what the top does on a knockdown, you have these pressure. Okay, that operates by a screw on this side. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is find out your high side of the floor first. And the way you do that is with your level. Put your level on the floor. Okay, now the bubble reads pretty accurate. Okay, so now touch each side, make sure it's not rocking. Okay, if it's not rocking, then you have a good bubble. You're going to start there. Everything's even, you can start with your hinge side right on the ground. Okay, I have them splayed out. This is the hinge side. Gotta get it around the drywall. Okay, now we have the leg in. Okay, I don't have my mallet readily available, but you can use your hammer, but you don't want to dent up the metal. All right, I had to pull it out to be square. Let's try to level again. Okay. 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 We get the hinge side plumb first, then the header. There we go. Make your adjustments up here. Looks right on. Okay. Now screw off all the tabs on the leg side or the strike side. Make everything perfect on the hinge side and screwed off so you know that that door is going to swing correctly. Get your header level. Then you know you're going to have the same distance all the way across the top of the door, and then the side, the leg or strike side. And the reason they call it the strike side, that's where the strike is. Okay? All right, let's get this screwed off now. Okay, now we screwed them off on the hinge side. Okay, plumbed it up. Then I made the header level. All right, now I'm going to do the leg. Now this piece of wood, I call it a spreader. I cut it to 36 inches the way the door should be. I notch it out on the jamb, and I put the 36-inch end on the hinge side or on the door side. Okay, so now all I have to do is push it down. Okay, and now it has moved the jamb. Now it has moved the jamb right where it needs to be. Already have the header, or already have the leg on the hinge side plumb, the top level. Okay, the metal frame is exactly the distance it should be. So then I put it in the splitter and it moves the jamb all the way over to where it needs to be. So then I screw off this side. And that's it. That's how you put in a hollow metal jamb. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.